Welcome to WBM News. Turkey at least 19 deaths in worst of floods for years. Devastating flash floods have killed at least 19 people in the Appalachia regions of eastern Turkey. The worst such disaster there was recent, and Turkey government and said he expected the death toll to continue to rise. Had been flooded. President Biden declared the floods a major disaster on Friday and ordered federal and aid to help local rescuers. And among who died, at least 16 people and 62. Here, scientists says in climate change is triggering more other flooding areas tour with National Guard. Mr. said the flood is by far, and he said it's valiantly execution in the Turkey, and he said he added the increase in the amount of virtually of rainfall over the year and time to spend areas in come days and time. He added the increase in the amount of over a year in consist with what exports had been from the region that climate will become hotter and weather due to climate change. The historic flooding comes as the state recover from the deadliest time, and he was very important to our lives and time.